Take a look. It's been a warm, breezy day, so that fire concern still exists west of the Metroplex this afternoon. Or I guess we're in the evening now. The sun is so high in the sky, I just don't know what to say. Gust up to 30 miles an hour. DVU again at 84 degrees. The high today was 86 at DFW. The normal high is 74. The low this morning was 54. So a pleasantly cool start to the day. Right now it's still 84 degrees out at DFW with winds out of the south, gusting up to 31 miles per hour. So it is on the breezy side. So we're watching a chance for thunderstorms tonight. That's on the low end. Not for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but it's to the west of the Metroplex, and it's trying so hard. It's just having a hard time doing it. See this right here? This would be the area that we're going to watch for the risk for maybe a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms. So you can kind of see the very beginning stages of that. Within the next hour or two, a thunderstorm may take off and have some hail up to the size of quarters or damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Metroplex, you are not included in a risk of severe weather tonight. We're not really expecting rain either. There may be a lingering shower or rumble of thunder that kind of makes it in our northwestern areas, but that's it. Take a look. There are the thunderstorms trying to take off over the next couple of hours. There's 9 p.m. There's 11 p.m. It's really not impressive, okay? So there's just a few thunderstorms in this general area that may produce a little bit of hail or some gusty winds. It's out of here overnight. All right, so by tomorrow morning, we're dry, but then our next chance for thunderstorms will move in. This is the one we're more concerned about. So Monday afternoon, especially late afternoon, getting into the evening, into Monday night, that's when we have a better chance for widespread thunderstorms and a better chance for severe weather. For the entirety of the Metroplex and most of North Texas, it's been upgraded to a level 3 enhanced risk. Damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, isolated tornadoes are possible. The tornado threat is on the low end. The damaging wind threat is the reason that this level 3 has been issued. It's not because of tornadoes. It's because of the damaging wind concern with the thunderstorms late Monday afternoon going into the evening. So here's what's happening. So Monday morning is dry. You don't have to worry about any extra headaches for the Monday morning commute. Evening commute might be a little sketchy, we'll see. There's the dry line off to the west. This will ignite thunderstorms west of the Metroplex late in the afternoon, early in the evening. Metroplex, quiet, still at 6 p.m. Thunderstorms start coming together a little bit faster by the time 7 and 8 rolls around. You can see where the thunderstorms are by 8 o'clock. I-35 corridor into the Dallas-Fort Worth area, south of the Metroplex. Thunderstorms will continue. There's 9 p.m. from Greenville down through Terrell, Waxahachie, Ennis, Corsicana, Hillsboro, down through Mejia. Corsicana still through 10 p.m., Athens and Canton by 10 o'clock. So most of it's done, let's say late evening for the Metroplex, 10, 11 o'clock. Still ongoing, though, in eastern portions of North Texas. By 11 p.m., this starts to move into East Texas. So with that being said, what are the concerns? Well, let's break them down a little bit more. Damaging winds, the #1 concern. 60 to 70 mile per hour gust. As those thunderstorms come together, they'll start off as little isolated cells. They'll kind of become clustered and more linear as we get into the early evening, like you just saw in Timecast. Second to the wind threat will be hail threats up to quarter size, maybe isolated golf ball size hail. Low end threat for an isolated tornado or two. That's not out of the question, unfortunately, especially when the thunderstorms are more single cell. Flooding, well, that's just not a concern at all, because a ½ an inch to an inch of rain ain't going to do it when we have the drought that we do. So Monday night, it'd be a very quick ½ an inch to maybe an inch if you're lucky enough in parts of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So just a reminder, these are your storm start times. We'll go back over it again. 3 to 6 p.m. Mineral Wells to the west, Dallas-Fort Worth area. The start time between 6 and 9. Of course, the farther west, closer to 6. The farther east in this purple zone you live, closer to 9 o'clock. And then east of that, 9 to midnight for areas like eastern Kaufman County, down through eastern Navarro County, into Van Zant County, and then after midnight for East Texas. Make sure you tune in tomorrow morning at 4:30. Meteorologist Greg Fields will be here in the morning. He'll have the latest timeline and expectations. Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus will be here in the evening guiding you through the thunderstorms that do occur. And there's probably going to be a watch involved at some point, so make sure you tune in for that. Tonight, 61 degrees, breezy and not as cool. Tomorrow, 77. Some storms could be strong to severe tomorrow. Then it's quiet. I wish we had more rain in the forecast, but look at the cool down Thursday. 68 degrees on Thursday. Friday, 70. Then going into the weekend, 76 degrees and 82 next Sunday.